Okay guys, habang naghihintay tayo ng check-in time, kumain muna kami dito ng chicken and fries. And then honestly, medyo kinakabahan pa kami dito kasi hindi namin alam kung makakapunta ba kami ng Egypt or hindi.
So, stage 1 clear. Stage 1 clear.
Yeah? It's Alin Magpong.
We have Alin Magpong.
Ay, allergy. Maybe on that way. On that side. So guys, naikutan namin lahat but we can't find the SNB. Guys, na-excite na ako kung marinig ang chicken or beef later. Alam guys kung paano mag-vlog. Medyo nahihiya ako talaga. Medyo mahihayin talaga ako guys. So, 108. It's 18. Oh. 10. Check out.
Please do not leave your baggage unattended. Thank you. If you notice unattended luggage, please inform us or airport personnel immediately.
408. Yeah. So maghintay pa tayo ng hanggang 6:10 kasi 6:10 yung flight natin. Siguro mag-open yung gate ng mga 6 or 5:30. Actually guys, wala pa akong tulog. Diba? I don't have sleep pa. So, guys, let's go.
Welcome to Jordan.
Welcome to Jordan. Magsasalita ka pa. Nakatungtong tayo. Nakalabas tayo sa airport ng Cairo. So hey guys, nandito tayo sa Jordan. And then, magka-transfer tayo from Jordan to Cairo. Bali, parang maghihintay pa tayo ng 3 hours. Punta mo tayo sa transfer. So we just made a stop at Amman Jordan Airport, and this airport feels like more than just a layover. So pagpasok pa lang, ang una ko napansin is yung ceiling design. Yung sobrang linis ng linya, yung soft lighting na nagagaling sa taas, yung pagka-minimalist ng structure. I-add mo pa yung cement finish na para sa akin nagbigay ng raw at industrial feels, pero sobrang elegant pa rin. Everything feels so close now. Egypt is right there, pero at the back of my mind, may kaba pa rin. Hindi pa rin alam kung papayagan ba kami sa visa on arrival or kung may chance na hindi. Si Don.
Para sa kumanda Javier, nagkiyot niya. في انتهاء ذلك استخدام سنن السجائر الإلكترونية لحظات
So guys, that was the Red Sea. Honestly, the blue color hits different in person. Seeing the Nile River from the plane, we just landed at Cairo Airport. So after 4 hours na parang nakakaba, kinabahan kami kasi nga nag-visa on arrival lang kami. And then akala namin hindi kayo makakapasok, but God's grace, nandito kami sa labas ngayon. Bali nag-aabil na lang kami ng eSIM, so ayun yung gagamitin namin internet for at least 3 days stay namin dito sa Egypt. And then after magkaroon kami ng eSIM, mag-book na kami ng Karim papunta sa hotel namin. And then, stay tuned. Bye! So, lock. Wala. Say hi. Tingnan nyo yung view. Oh. Home for a day. Like a night. This one. It's cute. Diba? Overlooking yung pyramids. Here. You see it? Yes. So guys, merong lounge dito. Mini lounge. And then, meron din billiards. And, yeah. So, habang renovate natin, ibigay yung keys sa rooms. So, this one. I think it's good. It's good. And mura lang din siya, guys. Yeah.
Morning. How are you?
So this is our room. Hindi ko na siya papakita kasi iba siya sa picture. Going to Grand Museum. Yeah. Unfortunately, hindi tayo nakaabot sa cut-off sa Grand Museum, pero hanap tayo ng kakainan. Let's go! So where are we going to eat? Here. At your... Where? No. It. So... Ay. 5. Very unforgettable experience yung experience namin today. Kakain na lang namin dito. Mawala yung inis.
Hello, 2 person. We have a reservation. Stay here in the hotel.
No.
Okay, yes, come 122.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Actually guys, hindi ko in-imagine na makakain ako na tanaw-tanaw. Sobrang dream came true talaga tong experience ko na to. Nagkatangin kasi ano naman eh.
3 pyramids at may bar. Napakalit ng naming kaura, guys.
So nung nawala na ng tao dito sa area na to, agad kami pumunta para makakuha ng picture kasi mamaya pag sunset na sobrang dami ng tao dito. What we call this? What kind of bread? Bread. Cheers! This ice latte. Masarap siya guys. Itong sausawan nyo guys, para maas. Private rice. Kakain muna kami guys. Bye!
Please don't just pass them by instead, as if you didn't care.
Sobrang sarap pagmasdan ng sunset guys. Parang mapapaisip ka na lang na sobrang blessed mo na lahat ng pagod, lakad at uncertainty may ganitong klaseng tanawin na babawi sa'yo. Yung tipong tahimik pero ang daming sinasabi. Sa ganitong moment, maiisip mo na ang dami palang dapat ipapasalamat.
And the God that shot above our heads, and with you.
To be honest, this trip almost didn't happen. Before flying out of Riyadh, hindi pa kami sure kung makapasok kami sa Egypt dahil sa visa situation. Sobrang stressful ng uncertainty, but somehow, everything still worked out. We finally landed in Cairo, and kahit hindi kami umabot makapunta sa Grand Museum on the first day, na-realize ko na just being here is already a blessing. Instead, we ended the day at Rooftop 7000, enjoying Egyptian food habang nakatingin sa pyramids of Giza from afar. It wasn't how we originally planned it, but minsan talaga, the unexpected moments become the most memorable ones. As the night ended with the relaxing swim, I found myself feeling grateful. Day 1 wasn't perfect, but it reminds me that the journey itself is already part of the adventure.